the most dangerous part.
Well, no one's looking when I come out of a place like this. I do it on my hands and knees.
Started out this day fishing a branch of this river with my dad. It's a place we always hit when we're here in Montana. Usually produces pretty good. The sky was very clear on this day, so it probably kept the fish down a little more than normal. But as you'll see later on in the day, I run into a good pool with fish that just wouldn't stop eating.
Yeah, I think that moose was like somewhere right here.
Yeah. There's a whole one here, one.
Just got hooked up for the first one today. Just keep him out of the hole. Okay. Oh boy. No, don't you do that. Just a little bit more. Yeah. Took the purple drink dropper. Yep. Alright. They weren't interested in my purple drink, size 14, so I have put on a much smaller dropper. Let's see if this is the ticket. Oh no, perfect. Alright, switching up to this. I want to say that's a Duracell jig, but I don't remember exactly. But nothing's working, so we're going to change things. Got it. But did I break off? No, I didn't. Well, they are picky today. We're running a hopper dropper rig. Haven't had any bites on this. Haven't seen any bites on the surface. It's still morning. No, it's not. It's just afternoon. Switched out 3 different droppers after I caught that first one, and no luck. We'll keep trying. I just hooked one up right before I turned the camera on. Oh, no. He's trying to get over to those logs. It's his job to do that. It's my job to stop him. took the Duracell right in the bottom lip. Come on, buddy. Nice. Might have been a rock, might have been a fish. She went down quick. That's a fish. Yeah, he is trying to get to those logs hard. All right. No, 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 no. There we go. All right. That was precarious for a minute. Got him. Barbless comes out. Ooh, didn't expect that.
This nice little run has a straight, deep pool in it. It's got structure on both sides. It's very hard to cast to it from the bank, so I stood right behind it and just slowly started working my fly farther and farther. Probably got 4 or 5 out of it.
He does not want to come out of there. There we go. All right. Oh, no, it's not. You got it in the mouth. And he's out. All right, buddy. Camera time. And stop.
This is the biggest one I got out of this pool, and it was putting up a pretty good fight.
That was a battle. We'll let him get his energy back. Let's see.
After my dad and I finished working that run, Ryan and I relocated to a smaller tributary off of that branch. But we ran into more challenges finding fish. It's always fun to go explore someplace new, but didn't have a lot of success here, but good day still overall.
Just can't figure out how to get there. This is some obstruction-laden water. I don't think we're going to stick around here. Why is
Have traction.
not on this?
And a hill.
Not on this layer of pine needles. Okay.
I feel like I did it after the confluence. But I like don't even see it again.
I know. Pretty tough here to see. That's a fish right there. Almost 100% that's a fish.
Like,
Yeah,
go under
I know.
rock and let it flow, you know?
Well, there you go.
You got it. Right arm it under there.
Yep. Oh! No!
Well, there's a little bit of a run up here.
There's still hope.
Yeah, when you mend it, it skates.
Yeah. It's a tough drift here.
I like that splat. It's supposed to attract us.
Oh, no. I know when to take a hint.
So that reminds you of that Upper East. Oh yeah.
We'll put that one back. Yeah, a little bit.
Want to drink and drive?
Upper East Fort's better.
More open than that, or?